Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Aburaki from TutePlus24. This is video number 14 of Angular 2 tutorial series. Today I am going to show you how we can pass data through router navigation from one component to another. So I have started my project here and I have shown already in my previous video tutorial of router, and I am taking help from that tutorial file. And if you can remember that we built a very simple router navigation, about page and contact page. So today I'm going to create some variable from app component, and we'll want to pass these variables to this about page and contact page through router navigation. Let us start. The first thing I'm going to create some variable here in app.component.ts file. I can give it the name of about Stockholm, and another is contact, another city of Sweden is Malmo. Now I want to go app.component HTML, and here into routerLink array I want to insert some parameter as an object, like for about, and same here, contact. Well, now in about.component ts file I want to import activated route and params from Angular router, and I need to inject this activated route here. Sorry for the spelling mistake. And I'm creating another variable here, like about one, and here this route snapshot params, this about one to this. We are putting this route snapshot params uh, about value into the about one variable, and we are wanting to show this variable into any place of here. For example, here is2, and we can do the same for here. Okay, and uh, we can copy this into the component file, and this also can copy it here, and can copy contact one, and here, and we are going to put it into the lifecycle hook ngOnInit, and I'm changing the value from about one to contact one. Here the value contact, and also I'm going to copy this value into here contact one. Uh, uh, okay, we are getting the value, but we're not showing here. Okay. Oh, here I need to, because uh, here my variable is 4, so not this is the value, so I'll have to call it by 4. So and also here with 4, and yes, it is working, but okay, Stockholm, Malmo, Stockholm, and Malmo. Okay, so we are setting some variables with some values, Stockholm and Malmo, for sending to components from the app root component, and through this router navigation we are catching these values and putting into our concerned component pages. Well, this is one thing, and another thing I want to do right now, uh, by using ngOnInit and ngOnDestroy, I want to pass some values from one component to another during the router navigation, and I will take some additional service help So let us do it. I am erasing the things. Uh, and same for uh, okay, that I can keep for here, and I can delete it. I can delete it also. And from the this root component, I'm doing this. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is to create a service. So I'm writing ng generate component. For example, about or data service. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. I mistakenly created component, so I need to create service. Sorry for the mistake. Now I need to uh, add this service to app module first. In the providers, and also I need to import this service here. Data service. As I deleted it, I don't need it anymore. Well, now I'm going to about component and creating some input and name about and ng model about, and is2 showing some variable that I'll get from other component, that means contact component. And I'm doing copying this thing. For example, I can write contact, and I'm copying this thing into contact, changing the name, about. Well, now uh, about page, contact page. So my objective is to write some values here, and when I will navigate to contact page, I would like to show this value here, and the same for here also. That means when I will write something into the contact page, when I will navigate to about page, I would like to get this value here somewhere into here. Okay, now I'm going to create two variable here. It is very simple. Uh, for example, about contact. Well, now when I uh, about, okay, about uh, import data service from data service, and we'll have to inject this service here as usual. Private data uh, data service, and here when I will leave this page, one thing I will have to do, that is have to add another method here on destroy, and on destroy should be declared here also, on destroy, and we need to have destroy method ngOnDestroy. We want to write, we want to pick the value when we are setting the value from here. We want to store it into the service file, so we want to pick this value uh, named about. So I can write this dot about is equal to this dot data dot about and uh, we need to uh, show it here, so we can write here about and this about is equal to this dot data dot I did not call the service here. Also I need to call the service or import here, and also I need to inject the service into the constructor. Data dot about, so I am keeping this value into this about, and then I am going to show this here into here about. So let us see what happens if I write something and if I navigate. Okay, rakib.com. I just did the opposite thing. Instead of putting the data service properties value, I am inserting this value into this local variable. So I'll have to do the opposite thing. That means I am assigning value to the data service about value with the value of about from this input box. From this value I am passing this value to here, this data dot about, and it is storing here, and when I am calling it from this ngOnInit, then I am putting it into the about local variable, and I am showing it into here. So it should come. Let us try one more. Yes, it is coming. Now if I like one more time, yes, when I write something here, vice versa, I want to see it here. Okay, so into here I need to create the same, like on destroy, and this here also on destroy here, and I need to have another method ng ngOnDestroy like before, and I need to have contact and uh, into contact. That means I'm getting the value from the contact variable with the ng model, and I'm putting it into the data.contact service properties, and I would like to get it through the ngOnInit of the app component. That means I also need here, and also I need to declare one variable as contact, and this will be again contact and contact. The value which we are going to show, we'll have to get this value into the ngOnInit. Actually what happens, uh, when we navigate from one page to another, then before going, this ngOnDestroy event fires. So at that time, we are putting the value into our service properties, and after going or while going to another component, we are just getting that value from the data service properties uh, on the ngOnInit event, and by this way we are getting the values. This is the technique that we are using. So let us try again. Oh, I did not put the uh, value to show the value like this. I need to put it here. Oh yeah, I have shown it. Okay. Let us try one more time. I am in the about page, and I'm from about, and yes, from about. And if I like, say Sikandar. Yes, Sikandar. So if I write hello world and hello universe and come to about hello universe. So far so good. Uh, this is some tricky way that is very useful for passing data from one component to another while using router navigation. So hope this will be informative for you. If you have any question, please leave it on the comments, and see you with some new features of Angular 2 next time. Take care until that.